Hi students, welcome to VIJ CHEM YouTube channel. So there are lot of hopes, lot of waiting. Many students are waiting for the results of JEE Main, and all India ranks and final ranks are going to be decided, and they are also waiting for the qualifying JEE Advance. So when the notification will be given. So here we got a news article from the Quota, that is Dainik Bhaskar news article published on the 9th September, which is claims that the exam result will be declared on the 10th September. The total result will be declared on the 10th September, and from the 11th September onwards, the advance notification will be given. If any type of information is there, I will intimate you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and join my Telegram group. That link will be given in the description box. All the best. Do well. Bye bye.